We are finding out 21 additional people were supposed to be indicted in the Georgia case that accuses former President Donald Trump and 18 co-defendants of election interference.
The judge has released reports showing that the panel wanted to charge a handful of other big political names, including Senator Lindsey Graham and former Georgia Senators David Perdue and Kelly Loeffler. NBC's Alice Barr has the latest.
In Georgia today, a previously secret report was released showing that a special grand jury in Fulton County recommended indicting 21 additional people in the state election interference case against former President Trump and his already 18 co-defendants. Among those 21 new names that the district attorney chose not to charge, South Carolina Senator Lindsey Graham, a Trump ally.
I voted to certify the election. To suggest I'm part of some grand scheme to overturn the election makes no sense.
Georgia's Republican Secretary of State has said that Senator Graham suggested the secretary had the authority to reject certain absentee ballots, making him feel pressured. Senator Graham today refuting that, insisting he simply wanted clarity about the state's process before voting to certify the election.
I asked him questions about the mail-in voting process. I never asked him to set aside ballots or anything else.
The newly revealed names come after a judge ordered the release of a report summarizing the findings of the special grand jury that investigated Mr. Trump and his allies' efforts to overturn Georgia's 2020 election results. Also named but never charged, former Georgia Senators David Perdue and Kelly Loeffler.
The grand jury makes decisions perhaps about who they can indict, who they believe that there is sufficient evidence for, and then it's really up to the prosecutor to exercise her discretion to make a decision as to who they should indict.
Former President Trump on social media blasting the grand jury report, saying, quote, they wanted to indict anybody who happened to be breathing at the time. He denies any wrongdoing. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.
Now, legal analysts say prosecutors may have chosen to spare those people due to lack of evidence, clauses that protect members of Congress, or the possibility that some of those people are providing information to investigators.